we feel the need to fly? Maybe we're drawn to the sensation of total freedom. Let me show you what I mean. I want to see faraway places and ancient worlds. I want to pass through fire and snow and get so close the ice cracks beneath me. I want to climb the highest places, then dive straight down. I'll find the uncharted paths, no matter where they're hiding. With the air at my back, I'll become the wind. I'll fly with my friends and feel the rush. I'll make a short stop to regain my balance. And after I've witnessed every wonder, I'll head back home. Here's what I found. I discovered that it's not where you fly that gives you the rush, but the flying itself that I was missing so much.
In an effort to create various and image quality. Designed as the ultimate outdoor micro racer, the Tiny Hawk 2 race leverages performance, power, and the FPV experience for maximum control in any situation.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? myself.